like I have difficulty locating the remote for the PowerPoint. Well, welcome to Howard Community College, and welcome to Chem 101. And first, I must say that I admire your dedication. This is summer, for God's sake. You choose to take the register for this class, and on behalf of Science and Engineering Technology Division, on behalf of Howard Community College, I welcome you to my class. And we are going to do many things today in addition to a lab activity. Now, I handed out, that's your syllabus, and you signed in already. And what we're planning to do here today is we're going to spend about 45 minutes talking about the course syllabus, the policy. Okay? And I have 2 hours and 15 minutes allocated for today's lecture. And then after 10:15, you got roughly about 15 minutes break. And then by 10:30, you go to the lab. We're going to do the first lab. I will be doing one of the sections. With half of the class will go to lab with me, and the other half of the class will go to the other lab with Dr. Brown. And so that's our plan. Now, one thing that I do want to make sure that you understand here is that our summer schedule, when we put the time and everything in there, there's a glitch on the computer. It says Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday from 8 to 10:15. That's the lecture. And then from 12:30 to from 10:30 to 12:30. That's the lab. Now the thing is, we are not having a lab every day. Rather, we only have labs on Tuesday and Thursday. Today is Tuesday, so we will have lab on Tuesday. And then tomorrow you will not have a lab. Okay, and just a lecture from 8 to 10:15, guaranteed. And that's 2 hours and 15 minutes of lecture time. However, that's that. I do have the option of continuing my lecture all the way through 12:30, because you sign up for 12:30. Most likely I won't do that, but occasionally I may, because it's summer. Okay, so for those of you who come home from other colleges around the state and around the nation, welcome home. And again, thank you for your interest, and thank you for taking the course at Howard Community College. And let me introduce myself. I will be the lecture instructor and your lab instructor for half of the class there. And my name is Wayne Sear. W-E-I, that's how you spell my last name, first name, I mean. My last name spells as X-I-E. Now the closest, they're not Chinese, they're not English, it's Chinese. Yeah. The closest pronunciation I can find for X-I-E in English would be S-E-A-R. You can call me Professor Sear, Mr. Sear, or you can call me by my first name. W-E-I, that's the closest pronunciation I can find in the language of English. And Wayne, well, I put an N and E behind that. So every once in a while, when you send me messages there, when you see my reply, I may sign my name as Wayne X-I-E. I don't want to change my last name there. Okay, and there are only actually there are only 4 letters in there. So the sequence is kind of important, because it's probably foreign to you, to many of you. Therefore, you need to pay a little bit closer attention to how it's spelled. I won't really necessarily be offended if you misspell it, but the thing here is that my email is wxie@howardcc.edu. And if you spell it as W-X-E-I, you're not the first one to do that. And the thing is, I won't get your message. And when I don't get your message, you won't get a reply. When you don't get a reply, you're the one who's in trouble, because you have the question there. Okay, so unless you can do this, I suspect most of you won't be able to do this, and that's Chinese. And we want to conduct, I would, as much as I want to conduct this course in Chinese, but I can't. A little bit about myself. I have a Master of Science degree in Organic Chemistry, and so from University of Missouri, Kansas City. And I've been here forever. I've taught Chem 101, lecture and lab, and I've taught Chem 102, lecture and lab. That's this course, 101. Okay, and some of you may be taking Chem 102 in the second half of the summer. I don't know why you scheduled summer like this, but Some of you do. The thing is that if you take 101, 102 back to back and during the summer there, you spend 10 weeks here. You finish 1 year worth of chemistry courses there. So it's economically a wise choice, but time-wise, you may find yourself in a very compressed period of time with high intensity of chemistry. You may be, for now, you need to remember chemistry is a verb. You may feel overwhelmed after these 10 weeks of chemistry classes. Okay, and I also teach Chem 135. That's the chemistry for engineers. Those of you who are in College Park and you know this particular chemistry class is for engineering students who are who want to take less chemistry courses. So College Park come up with the plan. They put Chem 101, 102 together in one semester. Not the best thing you would expect because it's going to be way more intensive than Chem 101. But compared to summer course, that's just easy. And you choose to take the summer 5-week class with me. So that's why I said on the first thing I said when I saw you today is that I really admire your dedication for the love of chemistry. 136 is a chemistry lab course for engineering students there. I also did Chem 1 organic chemistry, 201, 202 lecture and lab. And when I first started here, they put me on physics. I don't know why I said yes, but I'm no longer associated with the physics. So physics 103, 104, those are non-calculus based physics classes there. I taught before. Now I'm only in chemistry. Now I work here full time, and my office ST259. That's the location that you want to remember. My room number you want to remember. In case you have questions, you need to see me. You should be able to catch me for the next 5 weeks in that room there, because I am here most of the day, Monday through Thursday. Okay. I have this class running from 8 to 12:30, and I have another Chem 101 running from 12:30 to 5. So I will be here pretty much all day long, Monday through Thursday. And I do have a 3-day weekend because I think I deserve that after 4 days of 9 hours of working there. My phone number 443-518-4412, but that's not the best way to contact me these days. Who's still using voicemail on the phone? Well, some do. But in case you need to call me, and you can reach me there. And if I'm not around my desk, I do have a voicemail, so feel free to leave me a message. Especially important, leave me your name and your phone number so I can get back to you. And my email, wxid@howardcc.edu. And also, we use a learning management system here called Canvas. Many of you may be using the same system in your college. And so you can also message me on Canvas. So that's those are the things that you